Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel autopay on Netflix. If you are looking for a way to cancel autopay for Netflix, then you will need to cancel your subscription. Go ahead and open up a web browser and log into netflix.com. Here I'm already logged into Netflix. Go ahead and get to the home page of Netflix, and once you are in, click on your profile drop down and then click on account from the menu. After clicking on the account option, from the account section click on the manage membership button. Now scroll down and click on the cancel membership button and follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. After you cancel your membership, this will stop the automatic payments. You will still have access to Netflix until the end of your current billing period. So that's how you easily cancel autopay on Netflix. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.